Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Let's have a look at this question. The nth term of a sequence is 15 minus n divided by 2. Find the eighth term. Okay, so to find the eighth term, we substitute the value of n with 8. Okay, so instead of writing n, we are just writing 8. So let's see, what is 15 minus 8 divided by 2? So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, right? What is 15 minus 4? It is 11. So that means the eighth term will be equal to 11. Let's have a look at the next question. The first 5 terms of another sequence are 1, 6, 11, 16, 21. Find an expression for the nth term of this sequence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the sequence here on the right hand side. 1, 6, 11, 16, 21. Let's quickly find the difference between the terms. Now, the difference between 1 and 6, that's 5. The difference between 6 and 11, that's 5. The difference between 11 and 16, that's 5. So we can see that each term increases by 5. So the sequence has a common difference of 5. And let's see, the first term is equal to 1 and the difference is equal to 5. So it's 1 plus n minus 1 times 5. Now let's expand the brackets. So it's 1 plus 5 times n is equal to 5n. 5 times negative 1 is equal to negative 5. So that means the nth term is equal to 5n minus 4. And we can actually now go and test this answer to see whether it's correct or not. So the third term is equal to 11. Let's test this. 5 multiplied by 3, because we have to substitute 3 into the place of n, minus 4. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. So is the value of the third term equal to 11? Yes, it is. So we know that this answer is correct.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.